Moving on, and in the lead-up to the Australia Day Awards, we're profiling Australians who've made a difference to the world. Tonight we met an Adelaide doctor whose amazing work has helped countless kids lead a better life.
Dr. Foster, he helps kids realise dreams. Without this kind of surgery, I wouldn't have been able to even make my dream of becoming a police officer a reality. But now it's a possibility, thanks to him.
Born with one leg shorter than the other, Jack now has a new lease on life. For over 30 years, orthopaedic surgeon Bruce Foster has transformed the lives of kids around the country.
We do see that very much in orthopaedics, and the opportunity to provide patients with the opportunities to have a normal life.
At the Women and Children's Hospital in Adelaide, Bruce spends his days on the ward with young Aussies with bone growth problems. But it doesn't stop there. Away from the operating theatre, Bruce works with the charity he established over 2 decades ago.
The Bone Health charity really began 20-odd years ago as a result of necessity.
From celebrity tennis matches to star-studded gala dinners, the foundation has raised over $7 million. On the job, it's easy to see how Bruce helps these kids face a sometimes scary experience.
How are you going today? Good?
He's revolutionised the very painful process of bone lengthening in Australia. Put simply, the fit bone is a rod that's inserted at the knee and put into the thigh bone. A button is pressed, the bone breaks, and then it's slowly lengthened by just 1 millimetre each day. Brad Bamford has known pain for most of his life. While his mates were at the school formal, Brad was having his fit bone put in.
He's a very determined young man, at that stage even, and I think the subsequent events have proven how determined he is.
It was always Brad's goal to take to the skies, and now that's a reality.
I can't remember ever not wanting to be a pilot. This is the start of the dream.
Corey Ritchie was the youngest in the world to have had the fit bone operation.
It's hard with having 2 brothers that are running around and him not being able to do some of the things that the other 2 do.
I just hope I want to play football.
With Dr. Foster's help, he's well on his way to making a full recovery. Jack Parkin and his mum nominated Bruce for Senior Australian of the Year. Looking at Jack today, you'd hardly tell he's spent years enduring the painful process.
Pretty surreal thing that, thanks to me, that's finally been recognised for all the amazing work he does.
It just amazed me what one person can do, and it would have such an enormous effect. It just ripples throughout the world.
Jack, Brad and Corey's journeys are testament to the years of hard work Bruce has put in to helping these kids have a better future.
Very, very humbling. You have no intention in being a doctor that anything in that nature is going to happen.
But that's exactly why Bruce is nominated for Senior Australian of the Year.
Can't think highly enough of him. He's great.
Without a doubt, he's a hero to me. It's changed my life.
Simple but important thing that he does. It's incredible. You've actually met him.
I've met him before. I've played in one of the tennis matches, raising money over there. Incredibly humble man and does some amazing work and genuinely changes lives. And he's just a real hero, and I really hope he... and Senior Australian of the Year definitely deserves that award.
Yeah. An extraordinary invention, that, isn't it? Just goes up 1 millimetre every so often. Extraordinary invention.
And those kids, though, the pain that they would have endured to get to the desired outcome.
Absolutely,
You know, as we saw the guy who became a pilot, just unreal. Yeah. If you'd like to know more about Bruce's foundation, head to our website for all the details.
We're going to take